A chip shortage, aging fleets, delay in parts availability. Here are some good preventive maintenance tips for trying times.
Along with the chip shortage, this is also forcing the topic of aging fleets. We're also seeing increasing delays in parts availability across the country. Many dealer-only parts are going on national backorder and resulting in weeks, up to months of additional downtime just waiting for them to become available. There's also been a combination of labor shortage in the US, so shops are operating at reduced capacities. As I mentioned earlier, ensure your maintenance schedules are current and adjusted for longer life utilization. It's also recommended transitioning from your quick lube type vendors to a vendor that has a more detailed multi-point inspection to ensure normal wear and tear items are given the proper attention before it becomes a larger and more expensive issue if ignored. And lastly, plan ahead. Understand what services are needed so you can appropriately schedule an appointment and understand the amount of time that it's going to take at that visit. This is where we most commonly see key services missed, like our transmission services, because a driver did not plan or anticipate the extra time it takes to do that flush or service in general versus just an oil change.